On today's episode of Cooking for Kyle, we'll be making a chicken poppy seed casserole and a corny corn casserole. Vegan, as usual.
I don't think that's vegan.
Can of corn, can of creamed corn, an egg, cup of sour cream, box of Jiffy corn mix, half a stick of melted butter. Stir it up. The pan that had the melted bacon grease in it. Bake at 400 for about 40 minutes. Chicken out of the sous vide. All chopped up.
Dave, you have a problem.
Cream of mushroom soup. Cup of sour cream. Half cup of heavy whipping cream.
What is wrong with you?
Dash of soy. Soy sauce. About 3 cups of black pepper. Add the chicken. Stir it up. Poppy seeds. Two tablespoons. Do this 4 times. 2 sticks of butter, melted. Add the crackers. All 4 bags. And stir. Another tablespoon of poppy seeds so that they'll show up on the drug test. Keep stirring. This takes a while. Pour half of them into a casserole pan. Spread it out. Pour the chicken goo on top. Spread it around. Pour the rest of the crumbs on top. And spread around. Into 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. On today's episode of Cooking for Kyle, we'll be making a chicken poppy seed casserole and a corny corn casserole. Vegan, as usual.
I don't think that's vegan.
The corn casserole out of the oven. And the chicken casserole. Now for the most critical element, the plating. We're going to use a spoon and plate it by moving it from the dish to the plate. And I'm going to do the same with the corny corn casserole. And there you go. Vegan chicken casserole with vegan corn casserole.
Sure, it's vegan.
Good.